Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing how to replace or fill blocks in an area. I am going to be doing this in a flat world just because that will make this a lot easier. And flat world on, turn bonus chest off, and you are going to need cheats on to do these commands. For most commands you do, and you're also going to want coordinates on. I'll show where to find those once I now we're in the flat world. So if we just want to make a big area, I'm in survival. We're just going to want to make sure, okay, I'm in creative mode. Now you're going to want to scroll down, and below friendly fire and world options, you're going to see show coordinates. You're going to flip that over to the right. Then you're going to want to go through and make sure you have cheats on. You can find this way below experimental features and make sure it's active. Now, if you want to make a big area, like a big cube of a specific block type, you're just going to want to do /fill, whatever numbers, how big you want. So if we do 10, it's going to be 10 blocks tall, 10 blocks wide, and then 10 blocks wide again on a different side. Then we're going to want to go through and choose what block we want. So I'm just going to do dirt for this example. And as you can see, if we just break out of that, we have a dirt cube. Now, if you want to replace this, you just get the coordinates you're at. You can see those up in the top left. Now we go down to this hole where I originally did the command. We have 6, -61, -4. So make sure you write those down and remember those. They don't have to be the coordinates I'm at. Just make sure you write down the coordinates you're at whenever you do the fill command. Now that we have those coordinates written down, we just need to go to the other side of the cube, and let's see, what are these coordinates? Make sure you write these coordinates down too. So we have 16, -51, 6. So we write those down. 16, -51, 6. And now that we have those, we just need to do, you can do this at any area you want because you have those coordinates. You just do /fill. The first coordinate, which for me is 6, -61, -4, and then our second coordinate, make sure to have spaces in between all of these, is 16, -52, and 6. Now that we have all those written down, what we're going to want to do is do another space, and let's see. You can do right here whatever block you want the dirt to turn into. So if we want the dirt to turn into, for example, water, we can choose flowing water or normal water. I'm just going to do normal water for this example. And then we're just going to do water, 0 for the data value, replace, and then dirt, because dirt's the type of block it's replacing. Then put another 0, press enter, and as you can see, I didn't get those dimensions fully correct. But as you can see, it turned the dirt into water. Now you can do that with any block or any substitute, but if you want to turn it all the way back to its original area, like how, for example, none of that was there and it was just air, you can just do /fill, get those, 10, 10, 10, air, and then as you can see, it was turned to air. Now in the other part of the example, I did 11, and for sometimes the command can be a bit weird, where it adds an extra 1 to whatever you place. Now, you can also do a destroy command. Now, you may be wondering, hey, why'd you do a destroy command when you can just fill it with air and that gets rid of it? Well, if you do a destroy command, instead of just deleting the block, it drops the items. Like in the creative menu, I can just break it, but I don't get any items. So if you wanted to make like a command block or something, whenever you use an item and then it uses that command, you can do /fill, whatever our coordinates are. For this example, I'm going to go back over here and fill this area with dirt. So we just go down here, go backwards by pressing the up key. This is going to be harder if you're on mobile or a different device, but I'm on a computer right now. We're going to fill this area back with dirt. Now that we have most of it filled with dirt, as you can see, there's still some water here. I will get rid of that. but you just do the same thing as earlier, so get both of those coordinates ready. Then instead of doing replace, you can get rid of the last part and do dirt 0 destroy. And then now that you have destroy, as you can see, that does cause a lot of lag, but as you can see, it did delete most of the blocks. But that allows you to pick up items and do that. Overall, this was a pretty short video, so I am going to end it here. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll probably try and post more content like this, as I remember back when I was on pretty much Bedrock only, I would have a lot of trouble finding specific command videos and tutorials, so I just want to make that easier. Goodbye.